Hello, Miss Amundson's class.
Hello, Miss Fire.
Today we finished volume. Today we learned how to find the various parts of volume. Question. Volume measures how much is inside something, right?
Yes.
That something has to be what kind of shape?
3D.
Yeah, volume is only for 3D shapes, right? So because volume's for 3D shapes, what is our label? Units cubed, or we say to the power of 3, right? Either one of those work. So because it has volume has 3 dimensions, yes? Dimensions are what? Say again? And then unit cube is the same as units to the power of 3, yes or no?
Yes.
Because 3 dimensions give you a cube, yes? All right, here we go. Perimeter. Please tell me how you find perimeter on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Please give me the formula to find the area of a square, a rectangle, and a parallelogram. Give me the formula that you would use to find the area of a triangle. Sweet. And give me the formula you would find, or you would use to find the area, or to find volume. So volume is length times width times height. I kind of messed that up. Okay. Another name for length is the
Base.
And then width would be how fat something is, how deep something is, how thick something is, how wide something is, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. This shape right here. If we count the number of cubes, would you be able to find the volume? Yeah, we can. Except for, we heard from Ellery, there's 2 cubes that we can't even see, right? So the volume is not 10 units cubed, because that's how many we could actually see. It's actually 12 units cubed, yes? Is it better to try to count them and figure out which ones are missing? Or should you just use the dimensions? I just use the dimensions. 3 cubes long, 2 cubes deep, 2 cubes high. Plug them in, yes? Sweet. Another example right here. Length times width times height, yes? Last one. We knew the length, we knew the height, right? Do we know the width? Do we know the volume? So if we know the volume and we know the length and we know the height, could we figure out width? What strategy do I think you should use? You just pull out your calculator and start typing in numbers until you figure out what 12 times 6 times whatever the number is gives you 576, right? It's guess and check an okay strategy. We good?